to make Keylimba to make Bridg-it. Yeah, it's true. Let me teach you how. First, press the three slice icon right there. Now, press the tuning. Find the number like this one, this number, and press down like that. And exit first. You can just do the label type if you want this, or this, or this. So I'm picking this one because this looks kind of good. And now leave. Do this. Do this music. Wait, try again. That's boom. That's how you make it. I gotta go now. Bye, guys.